Hi everybody. I want to introduce you to what it is to learn online. And some of you may be very familiar with all of this, but for some of you it may be entirely new. And so when you come onto our Moodle page, you'll see some introductory information here about how it's an online course and something that you really should be engaging on a regular basis and not leaving till the end of a particular module. And as we travel down the page, then you'll notice here that we have netiquette. And netiquette, of course, is etiquette for online discussions and recognizing that our written communication is harder to read because it's disembodied. And so there are just some basic rules for how to do online discussions well. You can find a lot of different examples if you Google it, and I've just posted a couple examples of good netiquette so that we can begin to learn together. Now, as we go through the course, you'll find that there are 5 modules. There's Module 1, and then you'll get to Module 2. And under Module 1, I haven't completed it yet because I'm making this video right now that's going to be posted here as number 2. And you'll notice it tells you to complete the intercultural development inventory and that you'll get a link via your email account for St. Paul. But then you will want to introduce yourself using the forum. And all you have to do there is click on it and you'll see up comes a new page, and you will find that I've already created my own introduction, and here it is. Let me see if I can see. You can see it's right there, and you could click on reply and post an answer to my particular comments or introduction. If I go back to the course again, and let's say I go back into the forum and you wanted to add a new discussion topic, you would click right there. And then you could put in your own paragraph. Okay, so let's go back again. Once you introduce yourself, you'll notice, and I put instructions for posting in a forum just in case you need that. You'll notice here are the readings, followed by a brief quiz that will just enable you to assess your retention of some of that material and your learning process. And then you're going to, once you've worked your way through all these things, the taking of the IDI and the feedback session for the IDI, the introduction in the forum, doing the readings, once you get to number 5, then you will begin to post your understanding of intercultural competence, and you will also respond and engage some of your classmates around what they post as well. Okay, and then finally in this block, you'll end up doing your written assignment, your 2-page paper, and you'll post it, of course, right here, which is the link for posting that paper. The other thing I want to point out is you will not have the next module available to you until you have reached the end of the first module. So on December 12th, when that first module ends and your paper is due, the second module will open up, and then you'll have a time frame to complete that as well. Now the key here, of course, is that you're on your own during this, for instance, with Module 1, November 17th to December 12th. You have all that time to do, with the exception of these, which must be done by November 22nd. You'll have all the time up until December 12th to finish the rest of this module. And so you will probably want to find a way to schedule yourself regularly every week to spend some time working on the course. That's the best way to do learning online. Now, I hope this little overview has been helpful for you, and I look forward to working with you throughout this semester.